As global construction sites compete for cutting-edge technology, the choice is yours. Will you be a follower or game changer? Hengwang Group drives with heavy industry and intelligent manufacturing dual core, building three major industry metrics of engineering machinery, agricultural equipment, and drilling pile engineering. With more than 200 international patent technologies and over 200,000 square meters of digital production base, from the Grand Canal to Belt and Road Hub, we support the backbone of global industry with excellent Chinese intelligent manufacturing. We don't simply treat, we create deeply symbiotic value chains. In Indonesia, we have set up an overseas subsidiary to localize advanced technology. In Russia, we develop customized solutions to break through the technology barriers. In Kenya, we offer integrated equipment plus finance and operations solutions, reshaping industry rules. Our products are exported to more than 180 countries and regions, supported by a comprehensive platform-based smart marketing ecosystem that precisely empowers global markets. In this era, the greatest business opportunities belong to those who dare to empower the industrial chain. Hengwang looks forward to joining you in surpassing low-cost competition with the dignity of technology, allowing China's solutions to resonate across global industries.